The Importance of Confidence at Immigration, written by Samantha Brown from Samantha Brown's Places to Love. Traveling to a new country is exciting. The thrill of exploring new places, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures is unmatched. But going through immigration can sometimes feel a little overwhelming. The long lines, the stern faces of officers, and the unfamiliar procedures can add to the anxiety. Don't worry, it's completely normal to feel a little nervous. Everyone feels it at some point, whether they're a first-time traveler or a seasoned globetrotter. But facing immigration officers with confidence can make a big difference. A confident demeanor can help set a positive tone for the interaction. Remember, immigration officers are just doing their job. They are there to ensure the safety and security of everyone. By understanding the process and being prepared, you can approach immigration with a positive attitude. Make sure you have all your documents ready and know the basic questions you might be asked. This will make the whole experience smoother and less stressful. Preparation and confidence go hand in hand in making your journey pleasant. A little confidence goes a long way in creating a positive first impression. A smile and a calm demeanor can make the process quicker and more pleasant. So let's dive in and explore some helpful tips to help you navigate immigration like a pro. From understanding the common procedures to knowing what to expect, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your immigration experience as smooth as possible. First, always double-check your documents before you leave for the airport. Ensure your passport is valid and you have any necessary visas or entry permits. Practice answering common questions you might be asked, such as the purpose of your visit, where you'll be staying, and how long you plan to stay. This will help you respond confidently and clearly. Keep your documents organized and easily accessible. This will save you time and reduce stress when you're at the immigration desk. Finally, take a deep breath and stay calm. Remember, confidence is key. With the right preparation and a positive attitude, you'll breeze through immigration and be on your way to enjoying your trip. Your passport to a smooth journey. Organize documents. Having your travel documents in order is essential. Before you even leave home, make sure your passport is valid. Many countries require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. This is a crucial step that can save you from unexpected travel disruptions. Imagine arriving at the airport only to be denied boarding because your passport is about to expire. Double-checking this detail can save you from a lot of hassle. Make copies of all your important documents, including your passport, visa if required, flight tickets, and accommodation details. It's a good idea to have both physical and digital copies. Store digital copies in a secure cloud service that you can access from anywhere. This way, if you lose your physical copies, you still have backups. Keep one set of copies separate from the originals in your carry-on bag. This ensures that if your main luggage is lost or delayed, you still have access to your essential documents. It's also wise to leave a set of copies with a trusted friend or family member back home. Consider using a travel organizer to keep everything tidy and easily accessible. A good travel organizer can hold your passport, boarding passes, tickets, and even some cash. This not only keeps you organized, but also speeds up the process when you need to present your documents. This will save you time and stress when you're at the immigration counter. Being organized and prepared can make your travel experience much smoother and more enjoyable. You'll be able to focus on the excitement of your journey rather than worrying about misplaced documents. So take the time to organize your travel documents before you leave and enjoy a hassle-free trip. Honesty, the best policy, always. Always be truthful and consistent in your answers to the immigration officer's questions. Immigration officers are trained to spot inconsistencies. Answer their questions directly and to the point. If you don't understand a question, politely ask for clarification. Honesty is crucial throughout the entire process. Know your itinerary. Like the back of your hand, understanding your travel plans thoroughly can make your journey smoother and stress-free. Be prepared to answer questions about your travel plans. Immigration officers often ask detailed questions to ensure the legitimacy of your visit. This includes the purpose of your visit, whether it's for business, leisure, or visiting family and friends. Where you will be staying, such as the name and address of your hotel or other accommodation. And how long you intend to stay in the country. Make sure you know the exact dates of your arrival and departure. Have the address and contact information of your accommodation readily available. This can include a printed copy or a digital version on your phone. If you are staying with friends or family, be ready to provide their details. Have their full names and contact details as well. This information can help verify your stay and ease the immigration process. Projecting confidence is key. A calm and respectful approach can make all the difference. When you approach the immigration counter, do so with a calm and respectful demeanor. It's important to maintain eye contact when speaking to the officer. And remember to be polite and use courteous language. A positive attitude can really go a long way in creating a smooth and pleasant interaction. Dressing for success, even at the airport. While you don't need to dress formally, it's respectful to dress neatly and avoid clothing with offensive slogans or images. Remember, first impressions matter. Dressing appropriately shows respect for the country you are entering. Clear and concise. Communication is key. Speak clearly and concisely when answering the immigration officer's questions. Avoid using slang or technical terms that the officer may not understand. If you are unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Understanding your rights as a traveler. As a traveler, you have certain rights. Familiarize yourself with these rights before your trip. For example, you have the right to legal representation if you are detained. If you don't speak the local language, you have the right to request an interpreter. Knowing your rights will help you feel more confident and empowered during the immigration process. Navigating additional screening with grace. In some cases, you might be selected for additional screening. This doesn't necessarily mean anything is wrong. It's often just a random security measure. Cooperate fully with the officers and answer their questions honestly and calmly. Remember to be patient and respectful throughout the process.